Welcome back guys to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a special Dominar. It belongs to Jesal. He's from Bombay and he's done some good amount of mods on the bike. So I'm going to be just covering what all things he's done on the bike and from which manufacturer. So not wasting my time, I'll continue with your video of a walk around. So first I'm doing a small walk around of the bike and then I'll jump to the individual items what he's installed, all the individual accessories that are installed on the bike. Okay, so let's begin. Starting from the visor, he's installed two AS200 visors, one above the other. Okay, he's got some film on the headlight. He's kept the low beam empty out of it. Then he's got one Autologue fender of the front part. Then coming to the handguards, he's got a handguard with a fog light in it. Okay. It's got a metal bracket at the back, so this is a good amount of safety. He's got all sort of buttons to activate all his fog lamps that he has here. He's got the regular mobile charger that most of us are using. Okay. Then we have a yellow fog lamp here and a similar white fog lamp here, both mounted on the SVS crash guard. Okay. Both mounted on the SVS crash guard. Moving behind, I think he's got a Rynox tank bag over here. So we were out on the RoadNomads trip. If you guys see, we were at Purushwadi. Maybe the video for Purushwadi is sent out before this vlog or after it. Okay. Then he's got some good amount of wraps done on the complete bike. It was a white bike originally, and you can see he's done some reddish wrap on it. Coming to the rear, he's got an SVS crash guard and he's wrapped the silencer with a carbon fiber vinyl wrap. He's also used carbon fiber vinyl wrap to have tank protections, the tank grip sides. Coming to the rear of the bike, he's got Lluvia's D guards for the saddle stays and a studs box. So this is it. This is it what I can see on the bike. He's installed these sliders over here, but I'm not sure if practically they're useful because this part is pretty weak and it cannot take a good bang. So that's pretty much it for his bike. I'll take some small photographs and add a slideshow in the end. So if you have any questions regarding his bike, you can put it in the description section and I'll pass it on to him and let's see when he answers. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.